Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands gamepad or controller not working problem. So in this situation, the very first thing you have to do is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon. After that, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your system after your PC restarts. Now launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now here you have to click on controller. After that you have to select enable Steam input, and after that launch the game and check if controller is working. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select disable Steam input and then check if the gamepad is working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select default settings and move to the next method. Next is to update controller drivers. For that you have to first connect to your PC and controller. After that you have to search for a device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that you have to go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. Here your controller will be added. You have to remove it. For that, click on 3 dot icon, click on remove device. After that you have to restart your PC, and once your PC starts again, go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else, and after that add your controller over here, and after that launch the game and check if controller is working. If this doesn't work, next method is to update Windows. Make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option. This will check if any update is available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to enter big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here in the above section you can see enter big picture mode option. Here is the enter big picture mode. You simply have to enter it, and after entering big picture mode you have to try to play the game, and after that again exit big picture mode. After doing this, now launch the game and check if it's working. So using these methods you can easily resolve Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands game controller not working or gamepad not working problem on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.